Cheryl was glowing. Absolutely glowing.
She was always highly competitive, always the joker, tomboy. There was a devilment, a mischievousness. Everyone's description was similar. This person who giggles, was loud, smiley, joking, compassionate to a fault, really. Would cry over a dead pigeon or a dead frog.
I think Cheryl was of the personality that you really had to let her do what she wanted, because she would eventually. I mean, if she'd set her mind on something, there was no way you could turn her.
She looked wonderful. She'd really blossomed. She'd a good future, you know? I mean, she was just a joy. You know, I can't tell. Sorry. It was after the initial training it all went wrong. A deep cut.